Your pride just like good clothing. I wore the cracks you couldn't see. I gave you days without demanding. I gave you truth without a stage. You gave me words that sounded tender, then turned your eyes and changed the page. You lost me forever. I folded your legs. Not in a scream, not in a fight. You lost me slowly. I closed my eyes. One quiet wound at a time. You lost me forever. Long before I said shadow on my chair, your silence on my sleeve. I held my breath and held my tongue and taught myself to breathe.